Honey, make it wet. Look at this. Hug, Dada, hug, hug. How many balls you have left? You have 2 balls, baby.
Speak English or don't speak?
We're late. We supposedly be already on the road, but because she is very slow, I don't want to put makeup on, but I want to put. I'm still wearing the same thing from yesterday, guys. Good morning, guys. Ano lang. I'm getting ready. I woke her up at 5:30. She's still like, and because we supposedly be leaving her like 7, so I keep editing after waking her up. Okay, because I am quick. And so when I came down 6:30, she's still. So I woke her up again. I said, it's time to get up. I still have to drive you. And so she woke up. You know what, guys? I really like the Ofra, but for goodness sake, it's so expensive. Also, guys, it is raining, and problem is, if it's raining, it's always traffic. So hindi mapigilan yung traffic. And Tommy just hung up with me because I talked to him. Hi guys, yeah, I'm wearing this freaking raincoat because it's freaking wet outside. It's freaking wet. I'm so home. Okay, let me go back up. Hopefully. Okay guys, I am leaving. I'm going home. Oh my god, you don't have any idea how hard it is. Traffic is really bad, plus because of the rain, you know, so it's crazy. So I expect that already, that it's going to be, you know, traffic, freaking rain. So I expect that and Tommy is home, he's waiting for me, and it's already 10:01. My mother is supposed to be there like 9, and yeah, it's very late. I don't know what time is planned to do, but maybe something, you know, maybe paperwork. Ay nako guys, nakakaloka. So how was your morning, guys? How's everything? Me, I just like in the morning I ate it. I don't have even video for tomorrow. I usually have video ready for Monday and Tuesday. So this morning I finished. I did the whole video for this morning, and yeah, this morning today guys is Monday, and so yeah, I don't even have a video because, you know, we've been like go shopping, and I was working at the second floor, you know, second floor ceiling. I'm sanding the second floor, the filming room that I have. I am here. Okay, what I'm gonna do is get the camera, safety, get you guys in safety and in safe toy. Bye guys, see you inside. Bye bye. Hi guys, I keep itching my eyebrow area, so all that freaking eyebrow drawing thing, it's it is okay. What is this? We need to send the mail right now, guys, because we have the mail to send the bill, you know, send that bill. So I'm just going to put stamps that we can drop it off later. Is the water and the city card. And that's it. Fun sweat. Tommy's in the bathroom right now, and yeah, I announce it that he's in the freaking bathroom. Bathroom, my mother-in-law lost her ring in this house, in this kitchen right here, and Tammy is looking under the table because she said she dropped it and rolled somewhere. So it's thankfully it's just in there, close to the radiator, and then there's a hole. Luckily doesn't fall down. It's just hanging. But we found it. This one right here. What is my husband doing? He gave this classic blend trail mix. This one right here. This one, yeah, it's focused finally. So I don't know what it says like. It says raisins, peanuts, M&M's, milk, chocolate, candies, almonds, and cashews. Anyway, guys, I will see you later, guys. I just want to have something to eat. Oh, ay nako, honey. I will see you later, guys. It's kind of annoying. I'm back, and Tammy's here now. I just want cleaning done on the floor and cleaning what I need to be cleaned. And I was cleaning in this shirt of microwave. I'm still like, no, yeah. He said no shirt. And I still can't reach. I mean, the back part. It's hard. And Tammy offered to help me for the first time. Huh? Okay. Thank you. This is right here. This is, I waited and this for that to wipe. Hey.
I need to dry it. I don't need to wet it.
Ay nako, you have to wet it and then dry it first. That's how it happened, and you have to make it wet and then you dry it later and then make it wet again.
Only the sponge makes it wet.
Honey, make it wet. It's so dry. My little onggoy. I have my onggoy right here. Look at this. Need to be waxed, guys. Waxy, waxy. Ano ni? Ano ni? They can't see you, honey. But only the hair. Waxy, waxy. Ano ni? I love you.
409.
Huh? What is 409?
Spray you use on the floor.
Why you need it? You don't need it. Spray that in the thing. Ay, nako. Honey, you're gonna ruin the oven, toaster, whatever. I pick up something. I pick up the. We don't have a thing over upstairs, guys. In the other house, upstate, we don't have a. How do you call that, hand? Paper towel. So I picked some over here because it's like this house is like a store. There's so many shit in here, and it's so freaking hot. Even though the outside is nice, but inside the house it's like the oven that preheating. It's busy right there. It's busy right there. It's busy now. It's busy now. What? No what? Han, your son's left is getting better, and then last night, yesterday, it's swollen a little bit the front area. And it cooled down again. What is that all about, huh? Allergy of what? Of her fart? I have to tell Roxy stop farting because every time Roxy fart, Hub's lips is swollen. Yeah, the other day, Roxy fart really cute, han. And her fart is so cute, han. It's not even like this. Usually it's like that. Yesterday it's like. I can hear it, honey. Oh my God, what are you doing?
Greasy.
Yeah, I know it's greasy. You cannot clean it out. And then you put it inside and then it's gonna be like not working because it's wet, the electric. Is your laundry done? You bring it up or you just put it down? We have a situation! I like this advertisement. I like it. That is the cutest thing ever. The advertisement, the kid have the tight belt, and then he wanna go to the bathroom pee like crazy, and he cannot get rid of the belt. Mom, we have a situation. It's the Clorox advertisement, right?
Yeah.
Clorox, mama. There's nothing that I can think, guys, that the good cleaner except Clorox. I think in my head, I think that's the only way that you can kill germs. Yes, it is, hon. It's been around for 100 years before this extra another whatever cleaner it is. Well, but that's how you can clean everything.
Yeah, well, it's also how you can ruin everything.
You know what? With the Clorox and then chlorine. Do you have chlorine here? The chlorine, guys, right, guys? The powdery. I'm gonna go inside, guys, because my husband is not really.
Well, you're talking to the camera. What am I supposed to?
I'm talking to you, but I'm filming
How am I supposed to
myself.
know? You're talking to the camera.
Talking to you. Look, this is what the thing, guys, about him. It's like
I'm supposed to know when you stop talking to the camera and start talking to me. You didn't say my name.
we're not together for 3
Am I
months.
listening to you talking to the camera? No.
We're not together for 3 months, and this is what he gave me. A bitchy part. Okay, did you see this one? It's getting flatter and flatter every time I put the thing. Every time I put it, and then the first layer is getting dry out and then spill. And then I put another one, it get drier and then it spill off. So it's getting flatter and flatter. Did you see, guys? It's getting smaller and smaller.
And my father.
My lips is crazy, but anyway. My husband is watching. You know what he's watching, guys? I will tell you something, guys. You know what he's watching?
This is my last chance to have anything normal.
Supernatural. Supernatural. Ral. Ano, guys, I'm reading all the comments onto this vlog. The bad news, the heartbreaking news title on the vlog. That was the time that my grandma passed away, and that's the time that I heard her for the last time when I was calling my parent, my mother and my aunt. When I was talking to them, I can hear my grandma, you know, saying, ouch, like aray. And yeah, I still heard her voice, and 30 minutes, not even 30 minutes later, guys, she passed away. Anyway, guys, I was reading all your comments. Yeah, I just want to say to you guys, heart to heart talk, eye to eyes, thank you guys so much for all the comments. It's just like, it's overwhelming, you know. Thank you for the people that I don't see in the comments before I say them, and to the people that always been there in my comments, I really appreciate it. And to you guys that, you know, you've been silent and you've been watching, following my life here, and you guys are leaving comments, and I really do appreciate it, all of you. And yeah, I appreciate it, and thank you for the condolences, guys. And yeah, so go dada, go get dada. Oh my god, careful, honey. She's so happy to see you all the time. Look at that. Hug, dada, hug.
Kiss.
Ew.
Hi, squishies.
Ew. Go get him. Go get dada. Go get him. Look, she's gonna go to you. Good drink.
You slobbered up my glasses.
Ew.
Really? Disgusting.
I thought you're gonna hit traffic. Yeah, there's a few thing there. I thought you're gonna hit traffic, hon.
Yeah, you did, huh?
I just like, I sit the car like to 68, so every time I slow down in front of me, I go slow down more, like, so that's why you catch me up. I said, oh, I was surprised when I look at the mirror. I said, oh my god, that's the car. Surprised.
I said there was no way we should be able to catch up to you.
Yeah, I know, that's what I thought. But you know, my car is slowing down, and I know you drive, you're like going back and forth, high to speed. But my car is just going down and down when there's car in front of me, and you know, I stay on the right side. And
I know that you got behind, you get in the right side behind us, you switch over to the right. I was like, ah, that's silly, because you see that truck up there. Why would you go in that lane when you see that truck up there?
look, did you see that? What do you think?
Do you think they're brownies?
No, no, the other one.
Yeah, that's cute.
It's cute, that's it. I love your salt and pepper here.
Mostly salt.
Hmm?
Mostly just salt.
Well, people doesn't know. You guys doesn't know. If you go in the back, a lot of black. He's playing again, guys, with this freaking bubble shit, whatever.
Bubble shit, dude, the bubble shit.
Sing it, then. Bubble shit, bubble shit.
See, if I could have got that, I would have got at least 2 extra men, but
What's
I didn't.
the bumblebee? Ano, up pop, bubble pop.
Banana pop?
What? That's the name of it.
I don't care. I'm up at level 460 or 458 or something.
Oh,
Me too. Look at this. It won't give me the red ball for that now.
hit the like water fountain.
I know. I hit the water ball. It's fine, but then I gotta build up again to get the points. It doesn't matter, I got no
You
choice
need
here.
to get rid of this shit.
Yeah, just take this whole road in.
Mapito, wanna go pito. To hunt me, to no hunt me. Hunt me. How many balls you have left? How many balls?
I got none.
Nothing left?
None.
You have 2 balls, baby.
3 shots left.
You have 2
This sucks.
balls. It sucks? It sucks, honey?
It's not giving me a way to get points here. I
two.
don't know if I can get this in there.
Oh, that one you can
I
get
can
the...
get 4.
Oh my god! The whole file? I love you, Sabado. What? Sabado, I love you. Huh? Ni abot og linggo. Huh? Linggo, lunes na karon.
At least
Lunes
they
na
bought
ngayon.
me a color.
Kumuta dyan sa imo ilok, Han. Imo ilok, Han, humot. Han.
Yeah.
Imo ilok, humot.
Han, you're making those nonsense noises.
Ilok. So my dialect is the noises.
Han, to me, it's just nice. You look a look.
Humot, imo ilok. Himo, humot.
Homo what?
Humot.
Homo yut? Oh no!
Humot, iyot. Humot.
Yut?
What?
Half.
Humot, imo ilok.
Han, speak English or don't speak?
I will teach you. Humot.
You're not teaching me nothing, you're just making noise.
I will tell you what it means.
You
Humot.
never do.
Humot, imo ilok.
Han?
Say it, Han.
I can't say homot imo ayalo.
Humot, imo ilok.
Homot imo ilok.
Oh my god.
Oh, Han.
You know what that means?
I have not a friggin' clue.
Your armpit smells good.
Well, then it's just stupid things you're trying to teach me. And it's not even...
Puti ako lubot.
Han?
Puti. Puti.
Pretty little what?
Puti, pretty.
Pote.
Ako
Pote ako.
lubot.
Low battery.
Oh my god, my mouth itchy. Puti ako lubot.
Your camera has a low bat? What? Low boot. It's like a little boot.
Alright, well listen, enjoy the cool weather. Definitely a lot nicer, that's for sure, than what it was. Enjoy. Like I said, anytime you boil, yeah, hop over. No, I hear you, I appreciate it.
And Roxy is very quiet. Hi. Came down, I was editing upstairs for my mukbang for tomorrow. But what happened when I came down here, everybody's sleeping. Green tea ice cream! And we're gonna have green tea ice cream! Green tea ice cream! It's just different, guys. Very green tea. I prefer the obe. What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? I don't even realize. I just hear him try to tell me that. What? You wanna come up? I know. Go get him. 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 Han, call Roxy. Hi guys, good night guys. I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna massage my baby's neck because he's a pain in the neck. Anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys.
Night. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys.
Bye. You're saying busy yourself. Anyway guys, so look at this. Oh, cheek.